camera?
That's the camcorder.
That's yours?
Yeah. That way we can take nice movies.
That's the camera?
Yeah. How old are you?
Look.
2. How old is Shalini? She's 6 months old. That's why she wants to eat her feet and the piano. Hey girls, what are you doing? Hi Shalini. What are you doing?
That's why she in the pillow.
Hey, dinner's gonna be ready soon, Angela.
We're playing piano. Wait, the book.
Hey girls. Shalini, what are you doing? Hi.
Yes. Yeah.
Hi.
Better. Hello, Daddy. Are you shorts, Daddy?
Yeah. Where are your shorts?
I have pants.
Where's the butt?
Here. And my pee-pee. And your pee-pee in your butt. And Sen's pee-pee. And Sen's butt. And Nana's butt. And Nanny's butt. And Mommy's butt. And Boss butt.
And everybody's butt?
Yeah.
Too many butt?
And Masa butt. Baby butt.
Who's got the smallest butt?
Me.
Who's got the biggest butt?
Marcia.
Masi.
Let's play.
Where's mommy?
Looking for us.
What are you doing?
In piano.
What's Shani doing?
In piano too.
What's daddy doing?
I'm taking a picture.
Yeah. Hi Shani.
Put your camera back.
Put it away.
Yeah.
Hi.
It's not working, Dad.
It's not working?
Yeah.
Alright. I think we took nice movies. Yeah. We're gonna show this at your wedding. Okay?
Oh,
Can we show this at your wedding?
yeah.
Alright.
Play piano. Oh!
Be gentle. Hey silly.
Next one.
Look Anjali, it's you.
Two pianos.
Good job.